To be like Jesus, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. Every spiritual gift is important. March 16th. There are diversities of gifts, but the same Spirit, and there are differences of administration, but the same Lord. 1 Corinthians chapter 12, verses 4 and 5. Study these scriptures carefully. God has not given to everyone the same line of work. It is his plan that there shall be unity in diversity. When his plan is studied and followed, there will be far less friction in the working of the cause. There are many members in the body, and all the members have not the same office, but each one is essential to perfection of the work. The body is not one member, but many. If the foot shall say, "Because I am not the hand, I am not of the body," is it therefore not of the body? And if the ear shall say, "Because I am not the eye, I am not of the body," is it therefore not of the body? And if the whole body were an eye, where were the hearing? And if the whole hearing were the smelling? But now hath God set the members, every one of them in the body, as it has pleased him. And if they were all one member, where were the body? Now ye are the body of Christ, and members in particular. And God has set some in the church, first apostles, secondarily prophets, thirdly teachers, after that miracles, then gifts of healing, helps, governments, diversities of tongues. The Lord desires his church to respect every gift that he has bestowed on different members. Let us beware of allowing our minds to become fixed on ourselves, thinking that other people cannot be serving the Lord unless they are working on the same lines as those on which we are working. Never is a worker to say, "I do not want to work with such one because he does not see things as I do. I wish to work with someone who will agree with all I say and follow out all my ideas." The one worker thus refused to connect with may have truth to present that have not yet been presented. Because of the worker's refusal to accept the help provided by the Lord, the work is made one-sided. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for any further study notes.